You might notice the difference in the quality. That's not 5083. It's nearly specificity. So that'll be temporary. It'll just keep the structure. And then once we've welded the stringers, got the structure a bit more complete, they'll be removed. That's another stiffener. They're preparing this. We're going to use the crane again in a short period of time. Just to keep it all straight, people. Just to keep it all straight. So they've done that boat a little bit differently. They've actually got the profile, the actual supports on here already welded over there. So obviously they're learning on the job. Because if you're going to put stiffeners, I mean, why not just use the stiffeners that were already in the design in the first place? So there you go. So mine will just go on later. And it's got, as you can see, look at the stiffeners it's got here. And that one doesn't have as many, see? There you go, people. Learning on the job. Refining the technique, people. Now this guy must be quite experienced as a welding crew because he's often left by himself and he's just always doing stuff, and sometimes he calls guys over, so I would say he's got a lot of experience.
Hi people, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to ring that bell over here.
This guy's got a puffy jacket. He's got two fans that's blowing air in to keep him cool. It is bloody hot here, although today's not too bad. But last week was a killer. I wonder if I can get one of those. How come management doesn't have it? Well, not that I'm management. Oh yeah, now I know why I don't have it. I'm just a YouTuber. Whoa, craneage twice in one day. Well, they've done it before in one day, it's just that I didn't get to film it. And when they did it a lot, I wasn't even allowed in the military shipyard. They forgot about my permission. Oh damn, camera's in the way. I got it. Nothing but quality, people. Yes, people. Nothing but quality. Được rồi, cứ đặt. Ok, giữ nguyên. Giữ nguyên nhá. I missed the lowering of it. No block of wood job at all. It just went in with a bit of a squeak. Bloody great. Well, let's see how well it fit. Here we go. Oh, damn, I missed him pushing it down just with his body weight. That's how good it is. Here we go.
Lưng lên, đó. Nhẹ đều. Hạ xuống. Nữa. Thế nữa. Không giữ được. Vịn tay rồi này, rồi giữ in. Như gì khó.
How accurate is this? This is great. Amazing. These guys do excellent work. Excellent work.
And a special thanks to the patrons, because without you, there is no freedom.
If you'd like to be a part of the project or crew, then come and join up as a patron. Nearly all the rewards are trying to get you onto the boat, either for a day sail, a weekender, a week or two holiday, or for the ultimate experience to join us on one of the legs of the Elcano Challenge. There are wonderful places all around this beautiful world that you could come and visit me and the crew to kick back and see what it's really like.